Right, so I'm on Aliexpress, and while I was scrolling down, I found these Thomas and Friends ... but they seem to be knockoff Thomas Wooden Railway, so I'm having a look at them. Why is it in Japanese? Come on. Like, come on, bro. Okay, I guess it's this one to the win. Oh, they have the names. Alright. Let me just get closer to it. Okay, that's water tank. What? I don't even know I don't even know how to spell tanker. Sorry that it said it was on 20%. Well, what's another one? Gordon, let's see how you spell. Gordon! What do you think you're spelling? All right. Thomas is right. He's drunk. That's what you look like when you found some beer on the line and you drank it. And then you keep buying more. And then you look like that after 10 minutes. Oh my gosh. Alright, which is an... Why is that day out with Thomas? Passenger car. Yeah, you really tried to Someone at Aliexpress really loved Day Out with Thomas, Hero of the Rails. Totally, what the heck? Alright. James, if you didn't know, he's my favourite character. Because he crashes a lot. James, guys, I actually have these. I'll show you in a minute, but, James. B. James. I mean, as busy as a B. James, I just call it B. James. Alright. Bill! You call that Bill? Oh my gosh. Percy. The drunk face. They don't have holes. They don't have holes in that funnel. Oh, this is... Yes, Bill Carr, yes. All right, Edward Carr. Why do they call them cars? James Carr. Simply exquisite. I need Molly. Oh my God. What the heck? What have they done to Molly's funnel? I don't own a wooden railway model of this, and yes, I got a wooden railway for my birthday, but I don't own a wooden railway model on Molly, so I don't even know if that funnel is right or not. And big wheels. You know who else has big wheels? Emily. Emily, do you know who turned your side plates black? I don't even know if they're called side plates, guys. They're supposed to be chocolate brown, just to tell you. All right, Diesel. Deez. Oh my God. What have they done? Red caboose. Red car, of course. They just did it with the tenders. Red milk car. Okay, why do you call that milk car when you call a tanker a tanker? And you just call that milk car, and plus that's yellow. It's not white. Wait, golden diesel. Oh, I think that's bronze. I have that. Great. All the diesels are called Beezels or Ds. Okay, now road vehicles are here. Bertie. Stop showing me the blimmin' drunk faces. Okay. Do you mind turning around for me? I have that model, by the way. Duncan, I have the real version of that. Why is he so small? Molly car. Welcome, Stanley. Oh no. Now what the heck is this model? Why is it blimmin' yellow? Oh my gosh, rickety. Well, at least they got that name right. Why did they make no normal troublesome trucks? Oh, Spencer. Yeah, they call it Spencer. Why did they do it with the scared face Spencer? I don't have a Spencer. He's yet to come. I haven't even got him for my birthday yet. Why is his paint so blue? Oliver. Why does he have a blue whistle thingy? Toby. Why the heck is he green? Get away. Wait. Oh, it's recycling cars. Yeah, definitely more than one recycling car. Psych, it's just one. Right, I'll bring it back up. Alright, I think it's time to do another one. Kids would be so unhappy when they get an engine without a tender. Well, at least I brought mine off eBay, so I did. Oh. Stop! Guys, I'm just trying to get off it. I was holding the camera. Trying to get off is so frustrating. Bruno, is there any more? Yeah, all they did is just replace the faces with emojis. Why does this have so many likes? And yeah, they replaced Percy, Thomas, and Ben with emojis. Oh my god, they replaced Spencer to Mallard. Train. You call Thomas the Tank Engine a literal train? He's not just a train, he's a tank engine. Why I search train toys for children. Oh my god. Good, wait. Yes, they sell some real ones. Look, see, that's not scared expression. And they also sell some non. Guys, I have a big question with this. I have that B. James, and why does it have the wrong amount of wheel? Rusty, why am... Right, guys, I know you can watch this, do this all on your own, but I'm going upstairs to show you the real ones I I have, okay? Oh, and yes, if you didn't know, I'm also obsessed with Legos. Alright, I guess it's time. Guys, I didn't even know the cameras are the wrong way around. Alright, guys, I guess it's time to show you the things that are wrong. Alright, so the first one I can see is James' car. They don't have the names on the bottom. The coal is different to real ones, but can you hear that noise? It's like thick carpet. Well, feel this. It's really different. Alright, so the next one I have is, oh my god, I absolutely hate this model. And I hate it so much that it's now evil. And why is the roof green? Shouldn't it be? Let me just get my real Toby. Look, shouldn't it be white? And plus this is so cheap that look what the back magnet does. Can this come out? You can see how it's built. And it's so cheap that I've lost a part from it. Look, see? It's made with one of those barrel thingies and whatever the heck this screw is. Let me just put it back in Toby, and just to tell you, here's what it looks like when the magnet is not in. And also it's so cheap that this is primed up. So yeah, and let me just right. Oh, here's one I didn't show you, and it is soda fuel tanker. And again, they don't have the names on the bottom, but this actually has a factory error on it. If you look at the back, the printing's slanted, and plus they have magnets on the top, and also never gonna give you up, never gonna let you down. I've got rickrolled. Come on. Alright, and these have flames. I made this in Minecraft, you know. But I had to use a sign for these. It's so hard. Yeet. Right, let's go to the bag of knockoffs. And we have got Diesel, quote unquote bronze Diesel. His wheels are for some reason a brown, and he just looks temporarily bad. So I do like this model for the gold, for the bronze face and all of this. This was made in real wooden railway, but still a yeet. Go back to the bag and wait, that's Donald. Wait. Okay. Alright, so here's Donald. You can see by the nameplate. Again, no name, so they can't call him Douglas like those factory errors you see on all those factory error videos. And this time, what? There you are. The magnets don't come out, and they're a little flat on all of them, and it's his face. It's crooked. Now, all right, now Donald car, as they'd call it, but actually on the listing they call it 9. They call it 9 10, I think it was, and yet the coal load comes out. That's how cheap it is. It's really hard to get it back in, and here's the entire train. And Douglas, I don't know where he is, but the coal load, even if you get an engine to crash in it, it will just fall out. Watch. See, go with Donald. Okay, what? There's some more knockoffs in here, and don't worry, I've got some real. Like, here's a real Percy. And don't tell me I got that from the Tommy era. I didn't. Here's James. My favourite character, and got on the. If you saw that was supposed to be golden. It's just like brown poop. And the face. His mouth is off line if you look at it in the real model, and this has not had so much care. Like, look at the roof, look at here, look at the front, like right here. Oh my god. Back, oh no, not back, Edward, but let me, wait. We discussed James' car, so it's James all together, yeet, and here's Edward. Oh, Edward. Firstly, his cab detailing is way too down, just like the Thomas we looked at. His magnets don't come out. He's way too tall, as you can see there, and the face. If you have this model, look at it. And again, oh my, there is no lines right here. Edward, I hate you. All right. Let me just flash through them. Quoting Bill. Quote, as busy as a BJ. James, wrong wheels. Edward's car. Bulgy. In the writing, he's the wrong way round. Round. Bill car. Bill car. And that's all the ones that are in the back. Oh, get off. He's attached to Cranky's screen, but I don't care. He's Douglas, and finally they've gave him a funnel. And another one I've not shown is here's the normal Thomas I have, the name on the bottom, and one I haven't shown yet is Henry and Henry car. Here's it all together. And his face. What are those greedy teeth? Let's see it. And like and subscribe for some more Thomas Wooden Railway videos. The next one will be my Thomas Wooden Railway collection, like most Wooden Railways do, like Thomas Wooden Railway himself. So bye. Da na 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 na. Done.